Hello, this is Renzo Lopez. This is the project for assignment 1. So this app is called Overseas. It's a unit currency converter. So a unit converter is useful in a connected world because of traveling, outsourcing abroad, trade flows, international exchange. So the target is a large demographic group is expected to use it, like tourists, USA citizens, international students, immigrants, the staff in transport industry. So I'm gonna use a great layout to arrange in a grid of 4 rows and 2 columns. So on the screen, I'm gonna present in text views and edit text, and this edit text. So the user is gonna enter a numeric value in the edit text. So the edit text is hide behind a text view, like the example of the tip calculator. Also, I will force to display by default the keyboard here, always visible, and also the orientation of the screen is going to be portrait always. This is the logo that I did here. I use a website, it's called Canva to do it. So the edit text is going to receive the object, the input from the user, and the interface I'm using is the text washer here. There you go. Here. Which is allowing the package text. So once this activity run, so I will make 3 more activities for temperature, weight, and currency. So far I have done this. So the code is working, but so in my cell phone is working, but it kind of okay. In my cell phone is working, but in the different emulators, it takes a while to display it. We'll see if we can do it. So here, emulator. Okay. Okay. Just a heads up. So to change the icon, if I did it like the videos is comment on the slides, doesn't work anymore. It's crashed. It says like a duplicate resource. So what I did is just I copied in this resource, and then in the manifesto file I change it. So I changed the name of the resource. So here is the app which is running, but once I click here in the enter amount, it's right here. It pop up the Okay, I want to show you the manifest. Oh, yes. Okay, for some reason here it's not working. It crashed. I don't know why. So I need to review the code, I guess. So here is what I'm saying about the. I'm gonna close this simulator. It's too much. Okay. Let's stop. Oh. Okay. Apparently, kind of froze the screen. Let's stop the app. Okay. So here, what I did is just copied another name, because when the way to do it, like the course says, it's not working anymore. It says like double resources, so that's why I did it like that. I force also to bring up the self input, and also it's going to stay in portrait. Okay, that's it. I don't have a lot to ahead, but yeah, it's progressing. I'm learning, and it's really cool. Okay, bye.